This summer, fall in love the way you've never experienced before.
Just enjoy this moment. Just enjoy the beach.
Star Cinema and Viva Films proudly present the much-awaited team-up of Agamulak and Ann Curtis.
I waited 10 years to work with him, and finally it happened. So it really is a dream come true for me.
You know what? That's my point nga eh. Hindi mo sila kilala, kaya nga gusto ko makilala mo sila. Tell me, Ben, bakit ka ba takot na makilala sila?
Hindi ako takot sa kanila, hindi ako takot sa sosyal.
Well, I certainly hope not. Sosyal ako.
When the trailer came out, parang, alam mo yung luha ako talaga, parang, oh my God, parang ang ganda.
When Love Begins. Coming soon to theaters in San Francisco, Seattle, Hawaii, and San Jose.